Hi everybody, my name is Mike Hughes. I'm the Managing Director of AutoCoding Systems, and I'm here at PAC Expo Las Vegas 2019 with my colleague Robin Each, our Technical Director. What I'd like to give you in a couple of minutes is an overview of the AutoCoding system that we have here with SICK at our booth. So first of all, AutoCoding is an automation solution for a packaging line workflow. What that means is that we can set up any device on a packaging line, regardless of brand or technology, and we can deploy its setup instruction automatically. So we have an HMI for the user interface, and we have on our demonstration piece a number of devices that we have here on the booth. So we have sensor and barcode scanner from SICK, and here we have a thermal inkjet printer. This particular one is from Videojet, and we also have one of the new vision cameras from SICK. This is the Inspector P654, and it has our new Foresight code inspection software. So what I'd now like to do is give you a short demonstration of the system, and then we'll talk a little bit more about its key features. So Robin's using the user interface as an operator would, selecting a particular product that he wants to run on the line. And what we have is a number of configurable engagement pieces for the operator. So we can control some simple QC to scan point of sale barcodes, allows us to look up the product in the database. If we're satisfied that we have the right product, we can proceed, and we can configure a number of job start procedures. So here we're asking for the lock code to be entered by the operator. All of these are configurable. We can have one or many questions to complete before we start our line. If we're now happy, we can accept the dates. What we've done here is we've set up a couple of devices, so you'll see we have a Videojet printer, we have a scanner, and we also have our camera. We have green ticks, so we're good to go. Now that we've confirmed, we're now in a position where all our devices are ready to be automated and set, and we can invoke the line start on our conveyor. So we have a sample pack that's going through. So here you can see what we've done is we've used AutoCoding to control the setup of the printer. We have checked that it has the correct barcode, and we have been able to inspect the quality of the print using the Foresight software. So on the screen now we can see that the camera has correctly inspected the code, and we were able to complete a full OCR read of that code in just under 300 milliseconds. So AutoCoding is a really good solution for automating device setup, ensuring that no device can ever attempt to do the wrong thing. So we're deploying that controlled recipe per product onto the packaging line, and all of our solutions work seamlessly with the SICK products. Thank you very much.